Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to the sofa.
Yes, welcome back. I am very happy to be here, but I am also a little tired today.
You are always tired, but wait, you used the words from our first lesson. You said happy and tired. That is great!
I did! See? My brain is working. I remembered the words. And I also have my coffee today. Because, like we learned, I drink coffee.
Perfect. I drink coffee. That is a great English sentence. So, today we are going to learn some new words. Words you use every single day.
Everyday words. Okay. What is the first one?
Well, since you are drinking coffee, let's talk about the time of day. We will start with the word morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G.
Morning. So, that is when you wake up?
Exactly. The morning is the start of the day. The sun comes up. You open your eyes. You drink coffee. It is the morning.
Okay. Morning. And what is the action word? Like, opening my eyes. What do I say?
You say, wake up.
Wake up. 2 words?
Yes, wake up. So you can say, I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning. That is really useful. Because I do that every day.
I hope so! So, after the morning, comes the middle of the day. We call that afternoon. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N.
Afternoon. After noon.
Right. Noon is 12 o'clock. So, afternoon. It is the afternoon. Usually, this is when you eat lunch. Or, you are at work.
Okay. So, morning, you wake up. Afternoon, you work. And you eat.
Yes. And then, the sky gets dark. The day is finishing. This is the night. N-I-G-H-T.
Night. That is my favorite time. Because I can stop working.
Me too. So, at night, what do you do? What is the opposite of wake up?
The opposite of wake up. Close eyes?
You can say that! But the best word is sleep. S-L-E-E-P. You go to sleep.
Sleep. Okay. I sleep at night.
Yes! Look at you! You are making full sentences. Let's review the 3 times of day. What are they?
Okay. Morning, afternoon, and night.
Perfect. Now, when you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you look at outside?
My car?
No. Look up. You look at the sky. Let's talk about the weather.
The weather. Okay. Weather is important. Because sometimes I don't know what to wear.
Exactly. So, let's learn 4 simple weather words. First, if the sky is blue and there is a big yellow sun, it is sunny. S-U-N-N-Y.
Sunny. That makes me happy. Sunny weather is good.
Yes. Usually, when it is sunny, it is also hot. H-O-T. Hot means high temperature. You sweat. You want to drink cold water.
Okay. Sunny and hot. Like the beach.
Right. Now, what if there are gray clouds and water is falling from the sky?
Then it is a bad day.
Maybe. But the word is raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G.
Raining. Water from the sky is rain.
Yes. And usually, when it is raining, it is not hot. It is cold. C-O-L-D. Cold is the opposite of hot. You need a jacket.
Okay, let me practice. Hot, cold, sunny, raining.
Very good. So, if I ask you, how is the weather? You can say, it is sunny, or it is cold.
It is raining. I hate when it is raining. I just want to stay on the sofa.
The sofa is the best place to be. Okay, let's change the topic a little bit. In episode 1, we learned the word where. Do you remember?
Yes! Where is the bathroom? The most important sentence in the world.
Yes. Where asks for a place. Today, let's learn 2 more question words. Very easy ones.
Okay, I am ready. Give me the questions.
The first one is who. W-H-O. Who.
Who? Sounds like an owl. Who? Who?
Haha, it does. But who is used to ask about a person. A human.
So, if someone knocks on my door, I say, who is it?
Exactly. Who is it? You want to know the name of the person. You use who for people. Your mum, your brother, your friend.
Okay, who is your brother? Who is that man? I understand. What is the next one?
The next one is what. W-H-A-T. What?
What? I think I hear this one a lot. What are you doing?
Right. What is for things, objects, or actions, not people. What is on the table?
Ah. Okay. So, who is for humans? What is for things? Like, what is this pizza?
Yes! Or, what is in my coffee?
Hopefully just coffee. Okay. Where? Who? What? That is a good list. I feel like a detective. Who are you? What is this? Where are we?
Okay, we have a little bit of time left. Let's finish the numbers.
Oh, right! Last time we stopped at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My hand has 5 fingers.
Exactly. Let's learn the next hand. Ready?
I am ready. I am focusing.
Number 6. S-I-X. 6.
6. That is easy. Sounds like sick, but with an X. 6.
Right. Next is 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7.
7. Okay. 6. 7.
Next is 8. E-I-G-H-T. This one is spelled very weirdly in English, but just say 8.
8. Like I ate a pizza.
Yes! It sounds exactly the same. 8 the number, and 8 the action in the past. Perfect connection.
Wow. English is strange, but okay. 8.
Next is 9. N-I-N-E. 9.
9.
And the last one for today, 10. T-E-N. 10.
10! Okay, let me do all of them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You did it! Now you can count to 10 in English. 10 fingers.
1 to 10. I am getting very smart. Soon, I will read big books.
Maybe. But for now, we just talk. No textbooks. So, let's review today's lesson. It was a big one.
Okay. Let's see. We started with the day. Morning, afternoon, night.
Yes. And the actions?
Wake up and sleep.
Good. And what about outside?
The weather. It can be sunny or raining. It can be hot or cold.
Excellent. Then, we did the questions.
Yes, the detective questions. Who is that person? And what is that thing?
And finally, numbers.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. Done.
That is really fantastic. You remembered everything.
Well, you are a good teacher. And the sofa is very comfortable. It helps my brain.
Good. I am glad. To everyone listening, thank you for joining us on the sofa today.
Yes, thank you. Please practice your words. Look outside and say, "It is sunny." Or, "It is cold."
That is the best homework. Just talk to yourself. We will see you next time for episode 3.
Go drink some water. And maybe eat pizza. Bye!
Goodbye, everyone!